Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can activate the WhatsApp application on your ASUS ROG Phone 60. So in the first step, if you need the second WhatsApp account, go to the Play Store, down the search bar and look for the WhatsApp app. While not for the normal WhatsApp app, look for the WhatsApp Business. Install that one, and by this way I have two WhatsApp applications on one device. That was the first method. Now the second one, go to the Play Store and click on search bar like before and choose the Dual Space app. Select one of them. I previously installed that one. So now decide, do you want to get notification? If you're making it for the WhatsApp, it could be helpful. I don't need to, and agree the terms. Then just allow and tap on the WhatsApp, and whole process is running automatically. And now we are creating next WhatsApp application on this device. That's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.